Okay, back again to another Animoji unboxing in my main setup, or main desk, which I usually use for my main job of task. So this time I try to unbox iPhone case again, and it turns out I eventually bought the wrong iPhone case again. So it was the one that's already include camera cover, even though I tried to use custom camera cover. So that's the reason why I cannot use this. If I basically try to force to use this, it will look pretty weird. So yeah, well, I'm not sure whether I will try to buy another one again or not, because for some reason I already tried to fail off 2 times, which pretty annoying. Maybe it's already the time for my iPhone to not use case anymore, because for some reason it's already pretty old iPhone. Perhaps it's already more than 4 years old. So the second one is just a bonus case, perhaps, which I definitely didn't own the devices. So yeah, thank you, that's all.